Welcome to HybridHero. Let's learn about general settings which are available for administrators in HybridHero. As an administrator, you have access to company settings where you can configure various aspects of your organization's setup. Start by clicking on General Settings to adjust parameters such as password management and session expiration time. Here, you can customize settings related to password complexity, including requirements for special characters. Next, navigate to Company Settings to further customize your organization's profile. Upload your company logo, adjust settings for new users, and establish in-office policies as per your organization's needs. In the Status Type section, customize non-working statuses to reflect options like out of office or sick and vacation. Remember, it's crucial to save your changes in each tab to ensure they take effect. If you have any further questions, you can reach out to us via in-app support or drop an email at support@hybridhero.com.